we're gonna make some stuffed crust sheet pan pizza. That's what we're doing for y'all. I'll show y'all an easy recipe, man. When your kid's hungry, my son, he loves pizza. My kids, they love to eat pizza. So we like to eat pizza too, but you know, I'll be trying to watch my carbs and everything. But today is a cheat day, so we're gonna eat this pizza, all right? Make sure you got you some string cheese, some mozzarella slices, some butter, some shredded cheese to go on top, and your pepperoni. Italian seasoning as well, and parsley. Garlic powder too. You need that garlic powder. Sauce. Got your dough. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all and CJ how to make this stuffed crust pan pizza. I got my little guy with me today, my helper, he's here. All right, so first you're gonna do, take your little butter, put it down. You grab that seasoning right there, CJ. Yep. Put some of this down on here. Sprinkle a little, some of that on there. Sprinkle. Shake it a sprinkle. Yep, sprinkle around. Brown. Come on, give me some more. Shake it on there. All right, that's enough. And you grab your sauce. Put your little sauce down there. Mix that around some. Nah, this hot. It's hot. A little bit more. Right? Just a little bit more on that. Yeah.
What are white spaces?
You like a lot of sauce?
No.
All right then. All right, so then this is the trick right here. A lot of y'all don't know. So we're making stuffed crust. So you're gonna take the cheese stick,
I know.
put it here.
And then roll it.
Put another one there. Yep, go ahead, line them up. Go ahead. Put it to the edge of the pan. Right against the pan. Takes about 10. Oh, might need some more. No, we good. This'll work. Then you're gonna take you some of the mozzarella slices. Said, really? Slide it down right there. Let me see that. Put some of this down. Put it right there.
Don't we gotta fill in again?
No, come on. Put it right here. Right? Then take whatever you want to put on there.
Wait,
I'm sorry. You're going to take the crust and roll it down. Fold it over the stick. You got it stretched out over the pan enough so that it just folds right over. We already got the oven on 425. Right? Make sure you cover it all. Tuck it under there. Tuck it.
Oh.
It's good. I got you. Tucking it under there, right? Take you a little bit more butter.
I wanna do it.
Let me
Is
do
it
this.
hot again?
Put it on there. So this crust gonna be ready to go. Got me some garlic powder in this butter also. Take you, sprinkle that down some on there. Now, here's the fun part. To get your kids involved right here. Get you some cheese. Sprinkle it on down on there. Sprinkle it around on there. A little salt, babe. Probably need some more cheese. Get as much cheese as you want to put on here.
I want a lot.
Okay, well, we get some more. And
Extra pepperoni.
you put you some pepperonis on there. And you good to go.